Hi guys, again this is your sales agent Mr. Alexis Public of Innova Homes Realty Corporation and Innova Homes North Incorporated. Tara at samahan nyo ako na silipin natin ang available na townhouse unit dito sa ating Villaroma Phase 6 subdivision. It is located Barangay Lias Road, Marilao, Bulacan. So yun yan, nakikita nyo yung Granada Street and nakita nyo yung social hall and basketball court guys. Next to Granada Street is Elche Street kung saan located ang ating available townhouse unit. Then ito yung main road ng townhouse unit na available, which is secondary road na 8 meters wide. At ito na nga ang available townhouse unit natin. Ang Villaroma Phase 6 subdivision natin was launched last 2011 and this reopened townhouse unit ay napakalapit sa social hall and basketball court. Ganon din naman na napakalapit din niya sa main entrance natin or main gate. Actually guys, hindi ko na trinay pa napuntahan sa loob para videohan pa ang features ng townhouse unit natin. Ay hindi mawala yung excitement ninyo, diba? Pero conventional or common lang naman yung gawa na semi-complete package yung pagkakatapos ng ating townhouse unit na available dito sa ating Villaroma Phase 6 subdivision. So guys, ito yung original design ng ating Villaroma Phase 6 townhouse unit. Iba yung Terraza Marta Model House townhouse unit. So from available townhouse unit natin, gusto kong pakita sa inyo na napakalapit lang yung distance natin doon papuntang main entrance or main gate. So ito from secondary road na Elche Street punta dito sa ating main road na 10 meters wide ang sukat. Bago ko nga pala makalimutan guys, gusto ko sabihin sa inyo na available townhouse unit natin ay sukat ay lot area 52 square meter and the floor area is 50 square meter. So from Elche Street na secondary road patungo dito sa Barcelona Street na 10 meter wide ang primary road or main road natin to or from main gate. Ayan siya guys, nakikita ninyo main entrance natin or main gate na napakalapit lang. Guys, pwede nyo pa improvement or modification ng townhouse unit ninyo katulad ng mga naka second floor or third floor dito para ma-maximize ninyo ang inyong property line. For reservation or house tripping, kindly contact me anytime to schedule caption below. Thank you for watching guys!